techno toys. Not fair.
It's still hot.
Leo, it's freezing cold. All cozy and warm again. Ice cream.
She's bothering me in first class.
Please, take your seat in economy according to your ticket.
I just wanted to share. Leo gets to have all the fun, but at least we can hear the music back here too. Molly, wait! We aren't allowed up there.
She's bothering me in first class.
Please, take your seat in economy according to your ticket.
Nuh-uh, we're supposed to pick the fun too.
Milkshakes are for golden tickets only.
Spoiled mode, on. Haha, Mike's plan worked.
He's bothering me in first class.
Please, take your seat in economy according to your ticket.
Leo's forgotten fun friend time. He's being selfish. He's lonely, but we're having fun.
They're having so much fun together.
No! Our airplane's busted.
I just wanted to play with you.
But you stopped playing with us, Leo. Why have you torn it?
I'm sorry for sending you away. Now you have golden tickets too.
Playing together is much more fun. Yikes, a cardboard collision?
Cool hats.
More like stinky hats, Leo. Wow, look, fresh cardboard boxes.
Cardboard challenge.
What do you think they'll build? A sofa. Did you guess it right?
No.
Are Mike and Molly gonna copy them? That one looks a little dirty, kids. And it's broken too. Phew. What do you think they're making now?
Wow, we have a new TV.
A super cool living room. Are they adding a TV too?
Breaking news!
Haha, Mike found a booger. A cool cooler to keep all their snacks fresh. What do you think Mike and Molly will build? That's right, a copycat cooler. Will there be food inside? Yuck, just flies and cobwebs.
Oh, so dirty.
It's totally broken.
Murli meow.
Uh-oh. Dad's floating away in his inflatable raft. Can you guess what this is going to be? A cozy painted fireplace, were you right? Watch out! Cardboard cyclone!
I have an idea. We need new boxes. Could you give us a couple of your new boxes, please?
Do you think Leo is being a good friend? He's keeping all the boxes to himself. That's not very fair. Oh no, a thunderstorm. The rain will destroy their cardboard castle. Help them!
Let's build a pyramid out of boxes. We need to arrange the boxes from big to small.
Which one should we try next?
Wrong. This box is too small.
Try the other one. Lucy, Leo, climb down the box steps.
Calm down.
Hurry, Leo, before the rain soaks everything. Just in time.
Thank you for saving us. And I'm sorry we didn't share the boxes with you.
We can build a toy house together.
It's way more fun to share and play together, isn't it? Watch out! Be cautious! Wow, great job, Robot Kitty.
We are a rescue team, but no one will recognize us. What is this car?
They're too filthy to recognize. Leo, pick a cleaning tool. Let's start scrubbing.
It's a fire truck.
All rescue team vehicles have sirens.
Keep cleaning, Robot Kitty.
It's a police car.
Exactly, Molly. Police officers protect and assist us.
What is this car?
Which cleaning tool now, Leo? The sponge will scrub it clean. What's that?
It's a fire truck.
Fire trucks aren't the only rescue team cars colored red.
Which emergency vehicle has a red cross?
It's an ambulance.
That's correct, Lucy. The ambulance transports sick people to the hospital.
It definitely has to be a fire truck.
What's next, Leo? The mop will wipe away the dirt. Uh-oh, careful, the mop is stuck. Fire trucks extinguish fires, right, Mike? Robot, don't pull too hard, it might break. Oops, mop tangled. Oh no, the robot is damaged and broken. Watch out!
Oh no! The robot is broken!
He's spraying everyone away. How do we revert him? Yikes! He's taken the rescue team's colors. That stopped him. Are you going to spray him, Mike? Aha, that tricked and caught him. Yippee, web trapped. Great job, rescue team. Whew, he's repaired.
Sorry, I've stolen your colors.
So let's return the colors to the rescue team cars.
Choose the correct colors, Leo. Leo, are you certain they're right? Oh no, fire trucks are frozen in blue ice. The ambulance is flowery pink. And the police car is flaming orange. Leo, you've used the wrong colors. Try again. Let's verify. The fire truck has its color back. So does the ambulance. Yay! Now the rescue team is set to go.
It's picnic time for the parents, but where are the kids?
3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
It's hide and seek, and Leo is ready to find them. Oops, careful, Lucy. You need to watch where you're going.
I'll be green like a bush.
Leo can't see her because she's blending in with the green leaves. Even a butterfly thinks Lucy is a real bush. Ha ha ha. Oh, Leo's using his scanner to track Lucy down.
I found Lucy!
Quick, Mike, find a hiding spot.
I'll be blue like the balloons.
Ha ha! Leo still can't see him. Uh-oh. Quick, Leo, grab the balloon string. Oh no, we need some help. Look, Mom, the balloons need to be tied back up.
Yeah!
Leo's scanning and just spotted Mike in his hiding place.
I found Mikey!
Hey.
Come on, Molly, everyone else has been caught.
Help me find a jumpsuit. Yellow like the van.
Which one is yellow?
It's not yellow. It's green. It's not yellow. It's blue.
Try again.
Yes, it's yellow.
Quick, hide, Molly. Oh no, her hiding spot is moving away. Molly, watch where you're going. Now she's completely buried under the bodysuits.
I found Molly.
And now everyone has been found.
Hey.
Now it's my turn to hide.
Come on, guys. It's time to find Leo. Leo's disguised himself as a cat poster stand. Haha, they still can't see him. Oops.
Look, sticker marks.
Careful, Leo. Uh-oh, mud splat. No, Leo. You can't lay on the cycle path. It's dangerous. Oh, no. Cycle paths aren't for playing. Penny has turned into a bush, and Pit looks like a soggy seaweed monster.
You can't hide or play in dangerous places.
Sorry. You can play on the playground.
Yay! Come on, guys! Playgrounds are the safest and best place to play.
Go me, Sports Day rocks.
Go through the obstacle course to get a prize.
Yummy scrummy.
Everyone must go down the slide of their color.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Wee!
Oh no, Mike and Leo have chosen the wrong slides.
Hey, what's happening?
Green. Yellow.
The girls have done it right.
Red.
Blue.
Yeah!
The second obstacle course. You can't be in the pool without armbands.
Remember to match with the colors on your sweaters. They're hopping and bouncing along.
Well done.
Mikey, your armbands. Oh no, wibble wobble. Jump high, Mikey.
Mikey did it. Now it's Leo's turn.
Here I come.
You can't be in the pool without armbands.
Oops, I forgot. Now I'm ready to speed across. Watch me go.
Well done. Choose your mold and insert it into the hole.
We need to find the shape for the doors. Rhombus. Triangle.
Square.
Hexagon.
Now count how many corners your shapes have.
1, 2, 3.
Yay, I did it. Count along with everyone, friends.
Leo has won.
A slice for you and for everyone. Sharing is fun. Yum yum in my tum. Is Chicky buckled in? Oh my. No, Lucy, the plane is about to take off. You must take your seat.
Running around when plane is taking off is very dangerous. I'm sorry.
That's better. Let's avoid any more mishaps.
Don't worry about Dino. He'll be taken care of there.
Oh dear. Dino seems overheated.
Meow.
Captain, Dino needs your help. Wonderful. The cool breeze will help him feel better.
Meow.
Would Dino like a drink? It's a stroll for you, Dino. All right. Haha.
Don't worry. It's just turbulence. Yeah?
Delicious food has arrived. A burger for Leo. And spaghetti for Lucy. Uh-oh, Chicky thinks they look like worms. Oops! Chicky, that's not funny. Oh dear, this is troublesome. No, be careful. Yikes, the dishes! Phew, Chicky saves the day.
Oh no!
Lucy, ensure Chicky's buckled up again.
You can't play around and litter on the plane.
Wow, wiggly worm spaghetti, haha.
I'm sure Dino is doing very well now.
Meow.
Dino's having a great time, isn't he?